In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show ads on specific devices on Google Ads. Targeting by device helps you put budget where performance is strongest and turn off placements that don't convert. We'll walk through where to find device data in your account and how to use bid adjustments to exclude a device entirely or give another one more visibility. Start by logging into your Google Ads account and heading to the main dashboard. Choose the campaign you want to work on so any changes apply exactly where you intend. Picking the right campaign is important because device settings and bid adjustments are scoped to the campaign or ad group you're viewing. Next, open the Insights and Reports section. This is your performance hub. From there, click when and where ads showed. You'll land on a detailed report that breaks down how and where your ads were served. Set your date range to include enough recent data to make a confident decision, and add conversion and cost columns if you haven't already so you can evaluate efficiency by device. Now switch to the Devices tab. You'll see performance grouped by computers, mobile phones, tablets, and sometimes TVs. This view lets you compare clicks, conversions, CPA, and more across devices at a glance. From here, you can adjust bids. A bid adjustment is a percentage that multiplies your base bid for that device. For example, a plus 30% adjustment on mobile increases your effective bid on phones, while a minus 20% reduces it on desktops. Use modest changes first so you can measure impact without swinging performance too hard. If a device is clearly underperforming and you don't want your ads to show there at all, open the bid adjustment for that device, choose decrease, and enter 100%. That fully excludes the device and stops your ads from serving on it. Give the system a short window to propagate the change, then confirm delivery has paused on that device in your reports. If you want to prioritize a device that's converting efficiently, set a positive bid adjustment to increase its visibility. Keep an eye on impression share and CPA to make sure the lift is beneficial. For display or video campaigns, you may have more granular options such as operating systems, device models, carriers, and Wi-Fi networks. You'll typically find these in your campaign settings under devices or within additional settings. Not all inventory supports every filter, so availability can vary. Wrap up by monitoring results over a few days. Look at conversion rate and cost per conversion by device. Avoid reacting to tiny sample sizes and iterate your adjustments until your spend matches where your best customers engage.